Subscribe to our channel. Anti-Cellulite Massage Oil, infused with collagen and stem cells, by M3 Naturals. Review. Are you looking for anti-cellulite massage oil that helps firm and tighten skin tone, treat unwanted fat tissue, and stretch marks? Anti-Cellulite Massage Oil, by M3 Naturals, helps naturally fight cellulite on your hips, abdomen, thighs, and buttocks. Why choose Anti-Cellulite Massage Oil, by M3 Naturals? Anti-Cellulite Massage Oil by M3 Naturals features a selection of properties that makes it a great choice for anti-aging performance as well. Skin cell regeneration. Using Malus domestica, fruit cell culture extract, a preparation the stem cells of a rare, Swiss apple variety. This culture is known for its richness in epigenetic factors and metabolites that ensure deep skin hydration and regeneration of the skin cells. Collagen. Hydrolyzed collagen works for rejuvenation of the skin tissue damage repair, helps boost collagen production, and protect skin from free radicals. Cellulite is the bane of the existence of great skin, and it is one that invokes possible tears of frustration and irritation. The M3 Naturals Anti-Cellulite Massage Oil is rich in a premium selection of natural ingredients. Grapefruit oil, for its large amount of the anti-inflammatory enzyme bromelain, known for reducing the appearance of cellulite. Grapeseed oil, for its rich source of vitamin E, powerful antioxidant. Eucalyptus oil properties make it appear in numerous skincare products. Lemon oil, for its skin complexion improvement and maintenance qualities, and skin rejuvenation properties. Pros and cons of anti-cellulite massage oil by M3 Naturals. Pros: effective fat dissolution and cellulite eradication. Effective, long-lasting skin hydration. Active premium ingredients for better blood flow. Improves skin elasticity and softness. Easy to absorb oil and doesn't cause any trouble. No harmful ingredients used in manufacturing. Cons: a bit pricey for an 8 ounces bottle. Anti-Cellulite Massage Oil by M3 Naturals. By features: moisturizing, 9.7. Easy to absorb, 9.8. Easy to use, 9.8. Scent and texture, 9.8. Value for money, 9.7. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Thin, lightweight, yet supremely effective. M3 Naturals Anti-Cellulite Massage Oil works to moisturize, tighten, tone, and remove cellulite from your hips, abdomen, thighs, and buttocks. Natural active ingredients are super absorbent. They absorb quickly and don't leave a residue. Collagen and stem cell infused oil. Infused with collagen and stem cell, cellulite cream helps restore your beautiful skin by providing a natural boost in collagen production and increasing skin cell longevity. This is a truly powerful combination, delivering unmatched anti-aging skincare results. Naturally fight cellulite. This potent and nutrient-rich cellulite treatment uses grapefruit, grapeseed, eucalyptus, and lemon citrus essential oils to release fatty acids into the bloodstream and help your body to fight unwanted fat cells and cellulite. Firm, tighten, and tone your skin. The oil is in rich antioxidants, fatty acids, and anti-inflammatory ingredients. The natural essential oils included in this blend are sure to be quickly absorbed by your skin and give you strong tightening, moisturizing, and skin regenerating benefits. Made in the USA, M3 Naturals is proud to provide men and women beauty products with the highest quality natural ingredients that are cruelty-free and made in the United States of America. Based on over 44,430 customer reviews and an overall 4.5-star rating on Amazon. Anti-Cellulite Massage Oil by M3 Naturals is ideal to naturally tighten and soften appearance of dimpled skin, remove cellulite on your hips, abdomen, thighs, and buttocks. Here's what some of the users have to say about it. 5 stars. Tightens and softens the appearance of dimpled skin. Using with a fascia tool, so I'm loving the results. Love the tight feeling and the healing oils. Too early to state about cellulite, but will update. Gotta say, it seems to fill in some dimples, so it's too early, but I still am seeing results, as slight as they are at this stage. I did use, without fascia tool on tummy, and noticed next morning, My tummy looked a whole lot less dimpled. So, I'm excited about this product. Says Elizabeth F. Connolly. 5 stars. Yes. It works. Every time I get out of the shower, I massage it in, with my hands first. Then I use a massage tool, to really work it in my legs. I'm so happy with the way my legs look now. I took before and after pics, to see if it really works, and yes, it really works. Says Brianna B. 5 stars. Great product. I am a twin mom, and for all of us mothers out there, let's be honest. Our skin elasticity is never the same after bearing kids. On day 1 of using this product, I took a picture. Exactly 1 month later, after using this product once a day, I took another picture. I have to say, I am thoroughly impressed with how it actually works. I was very skeptical at first, but seeing the difference in these photos is proof that it does wonders. I would definitely recommend this product. Says Elizabeth Morris. 3 stars. Very moisturizing, and easy to use. Smells nice, and not too greasy. Used it for 2 weeks, and noticed a moderate amount of improvement, especially on my outer legs and buttocks. Says Kate Knight. 1 star. Just a body oil. Save your money. Didn't work for cellulite. Basically, a high-cost body oil. Save your money, or if you really want to treat yourself, buy Chanel body oil. At least you get a fabulous scent in a light spray mist of oil, lol. Says Rebecca. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.